Hello everyone. Today we are going for vaccination, Covidshield vaccine, and our venue is at the school. Everybody must have known that it was Ninda Dame from Paro uh, to be vaccinated first based on astrology, and it was a historic moment for Bhutan. And our prime minister too had his vaccine at quarantine center, and his parents too got the vaccine on the same day, most probably to motivate the people who were a bit hesitant to receive the vaccine. Yesterday and day before, on Saturday and Sunday, uh, we didn't go for vaccine because uh, the vaccine site would be full with the office goers. So we decided to go only on Monday today, and we are heading towards the vaccination site, and we are walking past a school. It's beautifully maintained. The students are on vacation after the exams, and the school is almost empty with just some people passing by for vaccination. Here today we cannot see much people, and the vaccination is going to be carried out in the multipurpose hall of the school. On the right hand side of my camera you can see the multipurpose hall. The day before and yesterday, there's multipurpose hall must have been very much packed, but today there are less people. Here we are. The days on duty are doing good job by letting people based on token system, and we got our tokens, and we need not have to stand because we got chairs to sit, and people are asked to wash their hands before going in, and those who haven't registered or registered for other places, they are being registered here. We are inside, and there you can see people waiting to be vaccinated, and on the right hand side those are people already vaccinated. These two health officials are conducting a small survey to check the eligibility of the vaccine, and there is a nurse here vaccinating people after the survey. Well, I too had my vaccine at 7 p.m. and we are asked to sit here, and the day soup on duty, they are monitoring the time. I'm here at the last, let me say, the bench, last seat, and then the day soups, they are doing wonderful jobs by monitoring the health of the people after the vaccine, and time to time they come by and ask us if we are feeling any side effects. All right, the column in my left, they are all empty now, and new people are being seated, and my father is also there, and they are checking the time and marking on the nail of people after vaccination, and they are sending one by one. They are also advising what to do if we have side effects, and also providing doctors' numbers in case of any emergencies. Alright guys, I had my vaccination and I took 30 minutes rest inside, and now I'm outside waiting for my father. Alright, we had our vaccine and we are returning home now. Some kids are playing football, here, and we would like to thank the government of India for providing us with free vaccine. So thank you for your help, government of India. हम सब भूटानीज की तरफ से भारत सरकार को मुफ्त में वैक्सीन दिलाने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूँ। शुक्रिया।